Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger wiper arm. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a specialized wiper arm puller. Make sure your wiper arms are in their parked position before you begin. Also, place a protective towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental scratches or damage during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth removal. Next, locate the small plastic cap at the base of the wiper arm. Gently pry this cap off using your flathead screwdriver to expose the retaining nut underneath. Once visible, select the correct size socket for your wrench and carefully loosen the nut. After it's loose, remove the nut completely and set it aside in a safe place so it doesn't get lost. This step reveals the arm's attachment point. Now it's time to use your wiper arm puller. Position the puller's jaws securely under the base of the wiper arm, ensuring it has a firm grip. Slowly and carefully tighten the puller's center screw. This action will apply upward pressure, gently lifting the wiper arm off its splined post. Once the arm is free, you can carefully remove it from the vehicle. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. When you're ready to install a new wiper arm, first clean the splined post thoroughly to ensure a good connection. Carefully align the new arm onto the post, making sure it's in the correct parked position for optimal wiping coverage. Reinstall the retaining nut and plastic cap. Finally, test the new wiper arm's function by running your wipers to confirm it operates smoothly and clears the windshield effectively. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.